Huawei Mate 20 Review. It's mating season. Since the Mate 9, Huawei has been synonymous with big screens, big batteries, and big megapixel counts, and, we're pleased to report, nothing has changed with its latest flagships. Meet the Mate 20 and Mate 20 Pro. While the pricier Pro variant has the latest cutting-edge tech inside an in-display fingerprint scanner, a 40MP primary camera sensor and a 2K curved OLED screen, the Mate 20 is actually truer to the heritage of the series. It has a bigger, flat, IPS screen with full HD and resolution, clocking in at 6.53 inches. The rear-mounted fingerprint scanner is very traditionally Huawei, and rather than try and compete head-on with other flagships, it sidesteps luxuries like OLED screen technology in favor of power under the hood and a slightly lower price tag. Costing €250 less than the Pro, around $285, £220, $405, there's enough of a price difference to justify its existence. The question is Huawei just flooding the market with a second-rate handset, or is the regular Mate 20 actually a quality smartphone? Huawei Mate 20 price and availability. Huawei has confirmed that the Mate 20 will not be coming to the US, with availability having only been confirmed for Europe and Australia. Pricing is also very different depending on the region you buy it in. Starting with Europe, the version offering 64GB of storage and 4GB of RAM costs €799 RRP, £705/$915, while the superior Mate 20 with 128GB and 6GB of RAM costs €849,